Google is making Gemini Spark, the agentic AI assistant it announced at this year's I/O Developer Conference, available to more people. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Google's Gemini Spark is rolling out to a wider audience, but unfortunately, it still doesn't include free users. In the US, Spark is becoming available to everyone paying $20 a month for Google AI Pro. It's also rolling out globally to Google AI Ultra users who are paying between $100 to $200 a month for their subscription, unless they're in the European Economic Area, Switzerland, the UK, and Nigeria. Those who can now access Spark with this expansion may want to check it if it also comes with local language support. Gemini Spark is powered by Gemini 3.5 and is deeply integrated into Google's Workspace apps. Users can assign tasks to it by going to the Spark page, either via the sidebar on the computer or by tapping on the option under Menu on mobile. From there, they can type in the task they want Spark to do. For instance, they can tell Spark to check their emails and calendar schedules every morning and then let them know what to prioritize. Spark can also automatically create draft responses for when emails from a particular person hit the user's inbox or summarize lengthy email threads. Users can use Spark to create detailed reports in Google Docs from meeting notes and emails as well. As these are only a few possible tasks for Spark, which we know for sure, the users can check out Google's support pages if they're looking for more information on this new AI assistant. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.